Your car is more than just metal and wheels, it's one of the biggest investments you'll ever make. But here's the shocking truth, most cars don't die because of poor engineering, they die because of poor maintenance. The good news? You don't need to be a mechanic or spend a fortune to keep your car running for decades. By following a few simple tricks, you can literally double your car's lifespan, turning a 150,000-mile car into a 300,000-mile car without major issues. Before we begin, I have a quick personal request. Creating these videos takes hours of research, editing, and narration. Every subscription helps me cover my college fees while giving you practical car tips that save you money. So, if you'd like to support Gear Specs, please hit that subscribe button, it really makes a difference. Alright, let's get into the 11 tricks that make cars last forever. Alright, so here's the deal. Oil is the lifeblood of your engine. Skipping or delaying oil changes, that's just asking for trouble. It causes sludge buildup and premature wear, and nobody wants that. So, stick to your schedule, your engine will thank you, trust me. Now, let's talk about filters. That $5 off-brand filter you picked up, yeah, it's not really saving you money in the long run. Cheap filters let dirt and metal particles circulate in your engine, and that's bad news. Always stick to OEM or high-quality filters. It's one of those things where quality really matters. And finally, keep an eye on those fluids. We're talking transmission, coolant, brake fluid, and power steering fluid. These aren't optional, folks. Checking them once a month can prevent overheating, transmission failures, and brake disasters. It's a small step that makes a big difference. Alright, so number 4 is to rotate and balance your tires regularly. Uneven tires actually put extra strain on your suspension, steering, and even your drivetrain. Rotating them every 6,000 to 8,000 miles, keeps your car balanced and safe. Number 5, change spark plugs before they fail. Most people wait until their car misfires, but honestly, worn plugs hurt your fuel efficiency and engine health way before that. Replacing them early just keeps your engine firing perfectly. And finally, number 6, wash the undercarriage. Rust kills cars faster than anything else out there. A simple undercarriage wash every month, especially in winter or if you live near the ocean, really helps prevent corrosion that can ruin frames and brake lines. So don't ignore warning lights. That little check engine light isn't just decoration, A $20 OBD2 scanner can catch small issues before they snowball into $2,000 repairs. Next up, replace belts and hoses early. Seriously, a $25 belt or hose can destroy your entire engine if it snaps. Just inspect them every oil change and replace before they fail. And hey, warm up before driving hard. Modern cars don't need long idles, but giving your engine 30 to 60 seconds before pushing it hard ensures proper oil circulation. That's extra life for your motor, plain and simple. So here's the thing. Dust, dirt, and spilled drinks don't just look bad, they actually damage electronics, stain fabrics, and even cause switches to fail. Honestly, a clean car just lasts longer, simple as that. Flooring the gas and slamming the brakes every day? Yeah, that really shortens your engine, brakes, and transmission life. Smooth driving isn't just safer, it actually makes your car last years longer. See? None of these tricks require advanced tools or expensive shop visits. They're just simple, cheap habits that can add over 10 years to your car's life. If you learned something new today, please consider subscribing to Gear Specs. Every subscription doesn't just support this channel, it helps me pay my college fees while I keep giving you money-saving car tips every single week. And if you thought these tricks were smart, just wait until you see our video on 7 habits that make any car last over 600,000 miles. That one will seriously blow your mind. Click here and I'll see you